Good morning children, welcome to the English class. In this class, let us learn the new poem What the Leaves Said. All of you open your textbook page number 68. Children, look into your textbook and keep your fingers on the lines where I read. Poem 5 What the Leaves Said. The leaves said, "It's spring, and here are we, opening and stretching on every tree." The leaves said, "It's summer. Each bird has a nest. We make the shadow where they can rest." The leaves said, "It's autumn. Aren't we all gay? Scarlet and golden and russet were they." The leaves said, "It's winter. Weary are we." So they lay down and slept under the tree. Children, in this poem, the poet, that is Anon, means unknown name. The name is not known of the poet who has written this poem. In this poem, the poet, he describes 4 seasons, that is spring, summer, autumn and winter, and also the changes in the trees which takes place in this 4 seasons. So children, in the first paragraph, the poet, he says, "The leaves said, it's spring, and here are we, opening and stretching on every tree." So the poet, he is personifying here. The leaves said, he is using the figure of speech personification. Okay children, where he is telling that the leaves said, the leaves cannot speak. Human beings speak. So here the poet, he is attributing the action of human that is speaking to the leaves. So in your last class you have learnt about the figures of speech. So children, here in every stanza the poet, he is personifying that the leaves said. He is giving the attribution of the human characteristics to the leaves. Okay, to the leaves. The leaves said, "It's a spring, and here are we, opening and stretching on every tree." In the first paragraph, he says that in spring season, it is the most pleasant season where each and everything blooms. The flowers, trees, they will have new leaves, the flowers bloom. Okay, and the farmers, they go happily to work in the field. So the season is very pleasant. The birds, they come out of the nest. The spring season, it comes after the winter season. In a winter season, it will be very cold. Okay, in winter season it will be very cold. So birds and all, what they will do, they will go and hide in their nest. But when the spring season comes, the climate is very pleasant, the weather is very pleasant. So each and everything blooms on the earth. So in the first paragraph, the poet, he is telling that the leaves said, the leaves is saying, it is spring season and here are we. The leaves are on the tree. The leaves are bloomed in the tree, opening and stretching on every tree. The leaves are blooming on the tree. Okay, so the leaves are fully covered to the tree and whole tree is looking greenish and very beautiful. In spring season, the nature looks very beautiful, filled with colors. And when the spring season comes, the birds, they sing melodiously. So it is very beautiful season. So the poet, he is telling that in spring season, so the tree has leaves. Okay, the leaves are bloomed on the trees. The leaves said, "It's summer. Each bird has a nest. We make the shadow where they can rest." So, in the second paragraph, the leaves are saying that it is a summer season. Okay, it is the summer season, and in summer season, what happens? It is very hot. Okay, it is very hot. We usually look for the shade whenever we go out by walk also. So we will be very tired because of the sun rays, hot sun rays. So even birds, animals, they need rest. So the leaves are saying that we give shade in summer. Okay, we give shade in summer, where birds, they can build their nest in the trees, and where they can take rest. Even we human beings and animals also, what will do in summer season, if it is very hot, we take rest under the shade of the trees. Okay, children. In the third paragraph, the leaves said, "It's autumn." In second and third paragraph also, the poet, he is personifying. Okay, he is using the human attribution or human characteristics to the leaves. The leaves said, "It's autumn. It is the autumn season. Aren't we all gay?" The leaves are asking, it is autumn season, and aren't we all gay? Gay means cheerful, happy. Okay, he's questioning whether we are happy or not. Scarlet and golden and russet were they. So the leaves in autumn season, what happens? They change their color. Okay, they change their color. So the color changes to scarlet. Scarlet means a brilliant red color. Okay, children, brilliant red color. So the color of the leaves in autumn season, it is changed to brilliant red and golden color. And russet were they. Russet means reddish brown. The leaves of the trees are changed to brilliant red color and reddish brown, and also sometimes golden color. Okay, so the leaves said, "It's a winter. Where are we?" So they lay down and slept under the tree. So in a winter season, what happens? The leaves, they get tired. Weary means tired. The leaves are tired. So what they do? They lay down. They fall down from the tree and they sleep under the tree. So once again, children, in this poem, what the poet is telling? He is telling about the changes of the leaves which takes place in different seasons. In spring seasons, leaves, they open and stretch on every tree. In summer season, so what they do? They give shadow, so that the birds and animals, they can take a rest, and birds, they can build their nest in this shadow. And in autumn season, the color of the leaves are changed. Okay, in autumn season, the color of the leaves are changed. And in winter season, what happens? They fall down. Okay, they fall down and they lay down and they take rest under the tree. Okay, children, I hope you have understood this poem. So one more thing, there is a pre-reading activity. Okay, before the poem, there is a pre-reading activity. I will discuss with your parents. Okay, children, do you think the color of the leaves in a tree remain the same through the year? So when you go through this poem, you will come to know that the leaves, they have changed their color according to the seasons. Have you ever wondered how leaves appear on trees? How leaves appear? So there is a meristem which is present in the leaves which helps them to what appear on the trees. And why they wither and fall? Why they will wither and fall? Because when they lose the capacity of preparing the food. So when we are aged, okay, so when we will get old, we will also die, yes or no? So in the same way, when these leaves, when they lose their capacity to do work, okay, when the cells lose their capacity to do work, what happens? The leaves, they wither and fall. So leaves are the main part of the tree for preparation of food. Leaves are called food factory of the trees. Yes or no? Food factory of the plant. Leaves, they prepare food. So by preparing food, they lose their capacity of preparing food. When they lose that, they change their color and they will fall. Okay children, I hope you have understood this poem. Read the poem nicely, and if you have any doubt, please